morning, Winfrey. Great to see you guys today. So it's a little bit rainy in Virginia, and so what I wanted to talk about was when it rains on your parade. So things happen in life, whether we like it or not. Technical difficulties happen. Plans don't go to your way. And weddings that are outdoors sometimes get rain. And a lot of times, we just let it kind of happen. But my encouragement today is I want to talk a little bit about what God says, which is that He has a plan and He works all things for our good. And so, when it rains on your parade, what do you do next? When the event doesn't go according to plan? Does God tell you to simply give up? Or, point one, does God have us adapt? Now, adapting, as you usually know, is when a problem comes and we find a different angle. We have to adapt because the situation is not going according to the way that we think. And so, what that means a lot of times is taking your hand off of the wheel and letting God's hand come onto the wheel and letting Him drive. And of course, I don't know about you guys, but I'd rather have God driving my crazy car than me. But yeah. But so, I just want to give that encouragement. And let's talk about it. So, adapting. Now, number one of the best ways to adapt when it rains on your parade is to have other people in the planning. Now, I mean this in just life in general, meaning that you have people around you that you can trust, but also that are different, that have different ideas. In songwriting, one of my favorite things is most songs cannot be written by yourself and get onto the charts. It's true. They can't. And if you want to quote an artist that has, I say, great, you found one lucky duck. But almost every single great song is a co-write. Now, the thing that I love is there are 3 different people in a co-write, usually. We have your lyric writers, your music writers, and your melody writers. So what that means is pretty much someone writes the lyrics, someone gets the music around it. They know kind of how the chords are going to work. And then what I do is I'm the melody writer, which means I write things that get stuck in your head. That's kind of how I like to do it. But the best part is when something doesn't go according to plan, when I run out of ideas, we're able to bounce it off of each other to find a new solution. And so, as we're going through life, a lot of times we like to go the lone wolf route. And so my encouragement today is when it rains on your parade, bring others around you. Don't look at it as, oh, this is just going to fail. Grab with others and see how you can make it into a success. Number 2, your greatest person to call when it rains on your parade is God Himself. If you are always in God's will, if you're doing it for the glory and honor of God, God will find a way around your rainy parade. Doesn't matter what happens. So those magical moments can be made from having to adapt on the fly. Those that were in worship last week, everything stopped working and we adapted. But the main thing is we're never doing that on Sunday for Matthew Niesel's credit, for Dr. B's credit. We're doing it for God. And so when we put Him in the driver's seat and we say, all right, God, we didn't see this, but you did, and we adapt, great things can come out of it. And I think last but not least, putting in work before our plans. And so what that means is if you're working on something, working on an event, don't just do the bare minimum, just expect it. I love to say plan for all the problems and then some, because then you might be able to solve one of them. And so when we adapt, when we put the work in, we're not only allowing for the Spirit to come through our work and our preparation, but it means we're even more prepared if it ever does. So remember, if it ever rains on your parade, so the best things to have is a group around you to help you adapt, to allow God to take the driver's seat, and to put in the work before so that when it does, you're prepared. Well, thank you guys. I know this is a short one. I got back fairly late today. It's still Thursday. And so I will see you guys though on Sunday. I cannot wait. I'll talk to y'all later.